Here let's we continue with semi-supervised learning. A semi-supervised learning is a type of machine learning algorithm that lies between a supervised and unsupervised machine learning. It represent the intermediate ground between the supervised with a labeled training data and unsupervised learning area with no labeled training data algorithm, and use the combination of labeled and unlabeled dataset during the training period. A semi-supervised learning is particularly useful when there is a large amount of unlabeled data available, but it's expensive or difficult to label all of it. Here for initially, one may imagine the three types of learning algorithms as supervised learning, where a student is under the supervision of a teacher at both home and school; unsupervised learning, where the student has a figure out a concept himself; and semi-supervised learning, where a teachers teach a few concepts in classes and gives the question as homework which are based on the similar concept. Here the examples of semi supervised learning. The first one is in text classification. In text classification, the goal is to classify the given text into one or more predefined categories. A semi-supervised learning can be used to train a text classification model. Here, the using a small amount of labeled data and a large amount of unlabeled text data. Then, image classifications is the goal of to classify a given image into one or more predefined categories. A semi-supervised learning can be used to train an image classification model is using the small amount of labeled data and large amount of unlabeled image data. And anomaly detection, the goal is to detect the patterns or observation that are useful or different from the normal here. Then applications of semi supervised learning. The first one is an speech analysis, internet content classification, and third one is an protein sequence classifications. Speech analysis is, since labeling audio files is the very intensive task, and semi supervised learning is a very natural approaches to solve this problem. The internet content classifications is labeling the web pages is an impractical and unfeasible process, and thus uses semi-supervised learning algorithm. Even the Google search algorithm use a variant of semi-supervised learning to rank the relevance of the web pages for the given query. A protein sequence of classification is a DNA trends are typically very large in size. The rise of semi-supervised learning has been a immediate in file in this field. Then disadvantages. Advantages and disadvantages of semi-supervised machine learning. Uh, Yeah, advantages is a simple and easy to understand the algorithm. It is a highly efficient. It is used to solve the drawbacks of supervised and unsupervised learning algorithm. Then disadvantages is the iteration result may not be stable. We cannot apply these algorithms to network level data and accuracy level is a low. Oh, thank you.